The new normal is making new demands on your business. It's time to let go of your old way of working and simplify. Introducing Houzz Pro. With Houzz Pro, you get everything you need to manage and market your business all in the one place. It starts with great marketing. Showcase your business locally with a premium profile on the #1 app for renovating homeowners, and get a high-impact website to attract new clients. We'll show you which marketing efforts are working and help you stay on top of new leads so you can turn more of them into jobs. Say goodbye to multiple logins, spreadsheets, apps, and sticky notes. Houzz Pro helps you save time and organize your work. Create professional estimates and proposals in minutes using your library of labor and material costs. Then send them to clients to approve instantly online. When it's time to collect payment, it's easy to create variation orders and send invoices from the office or the job site. Finally, take your customer experience to the next level as you help your clients visualize the end result with renderings created using our 3D floor planner. And your customers, employees, and subs will sing your praises when they collaborate in a project portal that you control. All of this in one easy-to-use tool. From desktop to mobile app, now all your documents, tools, and teams can work better together with Houzz Pro.